in Wilmington has issued a flash flood watch for the following counties in Ohio: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Franklin, Bucking, Licking, Madison, Pickaway, and Union. Until 10 p.m. this evening, a wide band of slow-moving thunderstorms focused near a weak frontal boundary will gradually push south through the afternoon and evening hours. Where trading of storms occurs, some areas could accumulate 2 to nearly 4 inches of rain this evening. Flooding along area creeks, streams, and low-lying roadways may occur. Be alert to flooding along roadways through this afternoon and into the evening. A flash flood watch means that flooding of small streams, creeks, and other drainage areas is possible within the wash area. People in the wash area should keep an eye on the weather and be prepared for immediate action should heavy rains and flooding occur or a flash flood warning be issued.